Hello guys, today I want to show you 6 online survey sites to earn extra money whenever you're less busy. Trust me, anyone searching to generate side income can earn extra cash by participating in paid online survey sites. Some of them are even reputable. Paid online survey sites are pretty straightforward. Participants answer some questions or fulfill some mission online and earn money in exchange for their time. And if that sounds interesting to you, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to never miss my updates. Here are some of the best paid online survey sites that can help create extra income. Number 1. Branded surveys. You can signal up or join through Facebook. You create a profile and answer a few questions about your life. The extra personal information you give, the more the employer knows about you. You really shouldn't use any of these websites unless you're okay with companies understanding some things about you, and so it can offer surveys tailored to your pastimes or lifestyle. You earn points from doing surveys for market research clients of branded surveys, which are being accomplished for Fortune 500 companies, and the points are redeemed for cash. The average payout is up to, note the up to, 300 factors per survey, and you can cash out once you hit 500 points, which equals $5. According to branded surveys, 100 points is equal to $1. You can be paid via PayPal or gift playing cards, or receive the money in a PayPal or branded pay account. Number 2. Google Opinion Rewards. Google is everywhere, which includes in the paid online survey site industry. You'll download an app and reply some questions about yourself, and then based on that information you'll receive surveys around as soon as a week. Although it may be more or much less frequent, according to the Google Opinions Rewards website. These surveys are typically short, and you may be completed in under a minute. You'll get a notification on your phone when a survey is ready, and for offering your opinions, you'll get hold of up to $1 in a Google Play credit or a PayPal credit. Number 3. Harris Poll Online. This is a revered company that's been around for decades, and if you signal up to fill out its surveys, you will get email invites to surveys. If you qualify for them, based on matters like your age and gender and profession, then you can participate. You receive what are called HIP points. When you fill out these surveys, which you can subsequently redeem for gift cards to places like Starbucks or Amazon. You can additionally donate your points to charity. Number 4. Inboxdollars.com. For taking surveys and observing videos, you'll receive points, which you can redeem for cash. You can't really cash out until you earn $30, though, and so if you don't revel in taking the surveys, it may be a bit of a drag to wait until you reach $30. Meanwhile, repayments are processed every Wednesday, and so if you reach $30 on a Thursday, it may take about a week to get paid. There is a $5 welcome bonus to assist you get started, though. Number 5. Life Points. Every time you fill out a survey, you'll get points that can be redeemed for things like e-gift cards for Amazon and Starbucks and PayPal credit. Reportedly, most of the surveys can be finished in about 10 minutes or less. You won't get rich doing this, but if you do a survey here or there, and you find the process painless, it may work out well. Number 6. MyPoints.com. This is additionally a popular website. You'll earn gift cards for answering surveys, observing videos, taking polls and other activities, such as shopping. There is also a $10 welcome bonus. But keep in thinking that you're really getting 1,750 points that are worth $10. Also, to get these points, you have to spend $20 or more on the site, not counting taxes and shipping, on a merchant via the website or through My Points emails in your first 30 days of membership. Still, if you're shopping for something you were going to buy anyway, it is not a bad welcome offer. In conclusion, there are a number of ways you can get paid from taking surveys. Many offer cash or vouchers, and some will provide free products. You'll typically have to build up a certain number of reward points before they can be cashed out. Make sure you know how your chosen survey site pays out before completing surveys to avoid any wasted time. That will be all for today. Please subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.